जय माता दी एवरीवन। सो आज की डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। इट इज़ नेसेसरी देयरफॉर दैट वी शुड केयरफुली कंसिडर द वेरियस recommendations made and see what we can do to achieve a certain target within a prescribed period. Full stop. The scheduled tribes have been living in isolated places, far off places, not connected with roads. Full stop. They do not have any amenities of life, neither medical aid nor even proper educational facilities. Full stop. We have to bring them out of that situation, and we must try to integrate those people with other sections of our countrymen. Full stop. It is far from my mind to suggest that we should impose anything on them, whether our customs or our culture, though the culture is more or less common throughout the country. But every community has its own conventions and customs. Full stop. Therefore, when I say that there should be complete integration, I do not mean to suggest that there should be imposition of anything on the tribal communities as such. Full stop. Still, it is essential that integration will only be possible if their standards are raised. If they are more or less brought to the same level where we or the other people are who are not so isolated. Full stop. So we have to bring these people to that level, and we can do that not by implementing certain schemes only, but by bringing about a radical change in our outlook and approach. Full stop. Para. There may be different communities and different religions in our country, but India had its own unique tradition in the past, which we have to carry on and maintain even now. Full stop. In fact, our philosophic base has been unity in diversity, and in it is our good fortune that when we are free, when we have become independent, various communities and religions exist in our country, and it should be our effort to bring about complete unity and solidarity amongst ourselves, even if our religions are different or we differ in our customs, rights, etc. Full stop. So, I think that it is a challenge to all of us, and I have no doubt that we will be able to meet this challenge. Full stop. I do not want to take more time of the house. Full stop. As I said in the beginning, I do not want to enter into generalities. Full stop. Para. So far as the recommendations of the Commission are concerned, they can broadly be divided into two categories. Full stop. There are recommendations which are to be dealt with or which directly concern the Home Ministry and some other ministries of the Government of India. Full stop. There are other recommendations which mainly concern the state governments. Full stop. In fact, it is the state governments which have really to execute and implement the programs. Full stop. That's it.